For today's project, I'm going to be making a conversation heart cookie. So to start off, I got this wooden heart from Dollar Tree. And then I'm going to be painting the edges this light brown color to make it look like a cookie. And then I think I'm going to do mine as a light pink color. So I'm using this cameo pink. So the light brown is going to be on the edges, and then the pink is going to be on the top. I finished painting my wood piece at the light brown and the pink. Now I'm going to use these stencils I had on hand and paint the word love you for my conversation. I'm just going to be using some white acrylic paint to do so. You could use a variety of different things. You could do vinyl, but I didn't want that glossy look. You could also do like a paint pen or something like that. If you get little tiny spots, it's okay. You can just cover that up with some more pink paint. Now it's time to do some icing on our cookie. I'm going to be using some lightweight spackle from Dollar Tree. This is some old one that I already had and it's kind of dry, so I'm going to add just a little bit of water to that. And then to pipe, this is also from Dollar Tree. It's a little piping tip I'm going to use. And then I'm going to cut a corner of my bag and feed the tip through. Since it was a little watery, I decided to go in with the paintbrush, and that seemed to work pretty well, and it's icing, so it's supposed to be a little messy looking. Here's what our conversation heart looks like, all finished. If you would like more in-depth instructions on how I made this, please visit my website, knfdesign.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe. It really does help my channel. Thanks and happy crafting.